Hey Forex traders, I'm an official member of FOREX BD. Today I will share the most important and best 5 tips of Forex that will definitely come in handy in your Forex career. Many of you may have been doing Forex demo for many years and may have done real trading but could not see the face of profit. Maybe you have been read a lot of book or video, candlesticks, chart pattern, money management, emotion, fundamental analysis, correlation, indicator. You may have done a lot of work, but you have not seen the face of success. But today I will share most important tips and tricks that will definitely help you in your Forex career. It will give a lot of good support in your Forex career. These 5 tips and tricks will give you good support. So I will request you watch the video till the end. And if you want to know all the tips and tricks of Forex, then you can follow this playlist. You will get all types of tips and tricks. And before starting the video, I would like to say those who don't subscribe our Forex BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update. Because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So let's go. 1. Forex is like swimming. Can you just learn to swim by reading a book? No, never. You have to learn practically. No matter how many books you read to learn swimming, you will not be able to learn swimming unless you are giving time physically. You must give enough time to learn swimming. That means to make yourself experienced, you have to practice physically. Same in Forex. No matter how many books you read in Forex, no matter how many videos you watch, no matter how many indicators you use, you will never be profitable unless you are doing practice. Forex is not a small thing. If it had possibility to learn Forex by reading a book, then every human being in the world would be a Forex trader. So you must give enough time for it and work hard enough. You can read book to know more, but you have to complete it with practice. For example, if you read a book, you can learn the basic of Forex, like pair, major pair, how to buy and sell, etc. But if you want to follow different strategies or build own strategy for yourself, you have to practice properly. One thing to keep in your mind that without proper practice, you will never gain success in Forex. 2. No matter how good your strategy is, no matter how good the confirmation, don't trade against the trend. I say again, don't trade against the trend. Will you ever be able to ride a boat against the tide? No, never. You have to go in favor of tide. No matter how great your signal or strategy is, never trade against a trend. You are investing your own money. It's your responsibility to keep it safe or bring it to profit. No one will come and tell you to sell or buy. There are many people who trade in Forex market without following any strategy. It can never be done. You have to follow the strategy. 3. Use 4-hour or 1-day time frame to understand the trend. If you see 2 or 3 candles of daily time frame, you will understand which way the market is. You can also check the weekly time frame for extra awareness. No need to see whole market. What is the benefit to know where the market was 1 month ago? You need to know which way the market is now. Many of us rely on various indicator and robot to make a profit from Forex or to earn from Forex. Especially those who are beginners, they never want to analyze and never want to know about Forex. If these robots really have any advantage, if robots were so convenient, then every human being could earn thousands of dollars from Forex. So robot has no value in Forex. Maybe 1 or 2 days or a few dollars you can earn, but at the end of the day, this robot will finish your balance. There are many indicators that work well and gives a good support. If you cannot draw support and resistance, you can draw it by indicator, but only depending on the indicator, that is not Forex. Those who are professional Forex trader, they analyze it without indicator. 4. Forex is like catching a rat with bite. Once you open a trade, you have to sit patiently. If you sit impatiently with a bite and watch the rat, will the rat eat bite? The rat will never eat. So you must be patient. You have to take action whenever the rat eat the bite. So Forex is same. If you are impatient while depositing in Forex or while trading in Forex, you will lose. You will never learn Forex trading. You must be patient and learn Forex patiently. Why just Forex trading? In every sector you have to be patient to get success. The key of success is patience. So at least you have to be patient in Forex. 5. Truth your analysis. Never close trade. Of course, you have to follow one of the rules. You have to trade according to the rules or strategy. Don't do trade without confirmation. And once you open a trade, don't close it, even if it goes against you. Truth your analysis. Think about where the mistake was after hitting a sell, because when you take a trade, you have to recognize everything by proper analysis. In order to be profitable in Forex, you must maintain a system. You should make a trade only when you get proper entry. Don't do over trading. Don't close your trade before hitting SL or TP. Learn to control your emotion and keep all these tips in your mind. Another issue is that those who are going to open account in IC markets or Tickmill must create your account by FOREX BD link. Also Neteller and Skrill. Then you will get VIP account. Your any types of account create by FOREX BD link, then you will get help. So before ending the video, let's take a look those 5 tips shortly. 1. Forex is like swimming. Can you just learn to swim by reading a book? No, never. You have to learn practically. 2. No matter how good your strategy is, no matter how good the confirmation, don't trade against the trend. 3. Use 4-hour or 1-day time frame to understand the trend. 4. Forex is like catching a rat with bite. Once you open a trade, you have to sit patiently. 5. Truth your analysis. Never close trade. Of course, you have to follow one of the rules. For gaining profit, you have to choose a good broker house, because they have much spread and fee in market maker broker house. You will finish yourself by paying their fee and spread. So create your account in good broker. We suggest some broker. First one is IC Market, the true ECN. Second one is Tickmill, they have zero spread. Third one is Light Forex, a right broker in Forex market. In 3 account, verification system are same, so you can upload your document in 3 account. Which broker approve your account first, you should deposit on that account. Good broker's policy is also good, so you need to verify first. Verify your account by your document. For your account safety, you have to create your account with strong reference. If you create your account by FOREX BD link, you will get benefit. FOREX BD can help you if you face any problem. If you create your Skrill and Neteller account by FOREX BD link, you can verify your account without any deposit. There will be less transfer fee. So create your any types of account by FOREX BD link. Those who want Forex related English video, they can go to playlist. There have a playlist where all video in English. You will get all link in video description. So viewers, I hope this video is helpful to you, and if you like this video a little bit, please hit the like button, and if you have any request, please write down in comment box. So viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update. Like, comment and share this video. If you have any request, write down in comment box. FOREX BD obviously try to fulfill your request. So be safe, be healthy, be with us. Goodbye, Tata.